I'm Bryan Baeumler, HGTV host and professional contractor. I know planning a new construction project is tough. From design to supplies to labor, there's a lot to think about. But most of the time, we're only thinking about what the finished project will look like, not what it will sound like. And that's why it's important to raise awareness about soundproofing. Noise issues are the second most common cause for litigation in commercial construction, yet they can be easily addressed at the construction stage. When it comes to detached residential housing, there's no code for soundproofing. And for houses with adjoining walls, minimum code simply doesn't cut it. Just ask anyone who's had to deal with loud neighbors, kids playing video games in the basement, or trouble sleeping due to noise in the house. All of these issues can be remedied by adding SONOpan to a wall or ceiling and following some simple building practices. With SONOpan, soundproofing doesn't have to be complicated or costly, and the expert SONOpan support team can help you with every situation, from home projects to commercial contracts. SONOpan's panels are 3/4 of an inch thick and come in 4x8 sheets just like drywall. They're made from 100% recycled wood and easily install with drywall screws. Most noise issues can be easily addressed using a combination of readily available materials such as fiberglass or wool insulation, SONOpan, and drywall. Whether you're constructing a new house, retrofitting an office, or building a recording studio, SONOpan is the solution for all your soundproofing needs. Take it from me, with SONOpan, you won't believe what you're not hearing.